Hello, Faith Warriors. Let's have a great week. How's everyone doing? There you go, Shubham. Here's the audio. We start at the top of the hour every day, forever and ever and ever. All right. Q&A. Yeah, same thing. All right. So I thought I'd start off initially with a little bit of a shorter term view on the precious metals, starting with gold. And it's still my contention that these highs are not going to stand. Are we going to get one more pullback? Is this a distribution top and it's just, distributing to all the bulls right now and we're going to negate the breakout? That's possible. But we could also get one more surge above these highs. It could take you as high as 1480 just arithmetically with this $50 range, about almost 60. So people probably call above this high with a trend line. A breakout can get you to 1485 or so if that happens. Hello, Hamid. Okay, how to draw long-term trend lines. Okay. I think you're looking for education. We're doing analysis here right now, Shabam. So we'll be talking about markets. So I thought with all the enthusiasm in gold that maybe I get out my telescope, okay, and take some real macro views. Not trying to steal thunder from Stelios, but really, when you look at the monthly chart right here, this is really just a 50% pullback, 50% retracement in gold, as excited as everyone is about this breakout. When you look at it in the context of this decline of $800 or so, we're playing around with the 50% retrace. 1488 would be 61.8 back. There must be some extension up there as well. I have quite a few fibs here. Anyway, I'm not saying go out and short the gold right now. I just want to temper some of the long-term enthusiasm. Oh, thank you, Georg. Yeah, so we do have a nice education section on our website, Shabam. Okay. What about the possibility that this is just a B wave? And all of this is long-term basing, which has everyone excited, and you can't negate it until we start closing back under the breakout, which people have at different levels. I have it at about 1380 to 75. So we'll see. But my contention is if the dollar has one more run in it, and I still think it does, even though I think we could trade see a 95 handle again, but we have to hold a 95 handle. If we don't, then yeah, gold's on its way. But I'm still giving the dollar the benefit of the doubt and wanted to just show this monthly that there could be a pretty good short setting up. And even if you're not like a deflationist looking for under 1,000, which, I'd say the bears would be licking their chops if they're looking for sub 1,000 gold sometime next year or whenever. That this is the best shorting opportunity in, let's see, 3 years. No, 6. Back to 2013, where that's all we've gotten back to is the levels in 2013. That was a long time ago. It was so long ago that ForexAnalytix was just an idea being birthed in Blake Morrow's imagination. So I just wanted to show you the monthly on that, and I want to show you the monthly on S&Ps as well. The divergence is so glaring, and we also have it on the weekly, glaring divergence. So I think there's some type of top. You never know how far the rubber band's going to stretch, but starting to look at things, we're getting a little bit of a throwover, a megaphone formation. John Murphy, who a lot of people follow, says megaphones are the most difficult formation to trade. That's what we have. Broadening top is another definition. But when I look at this, I go, that's a pretty glaring divergence, new all-time highs with this reading way under 70. So we've had 1, 2, and this is the third drive up here, and we'll see how far the rubber band stretches. I know it sounds like I'm a lunatic, but there is a partial lunar eclipse. I've had guests on with GAN dates sometime this week. So middle of the year, middle of the month of the middle of the year, we'll see what happens. I think there could be inflection points in both S&Ps and gold in almost every asset class. And you know why? Because every asset class has had no competition for a long time. So let me put it out there to you guys. What would be competition for stocks, which is TINA? There is no alternative. And gold lately, and anything else and everything else that's going up. What would provide competition for that? How about like not free money? Not free money. So the last chart I want to show is the monthly in the 10-year before I pass it over to Blake. And, I forgot what I was going to say now. Okay.